SmartFrame is a solution for designing, manufacturing, and constructing prefabricated light steel housing, replacing traditional housing construction. This is an advanced technology system developed by Vietsteel and Australian partners. SmartFrame system includes ProCAD designing software, ProCam machine programming software, and firmware control software. The SmartFrame machine, a component maker with SmartFrame system, all customer requests are handled quickly. From the customer's request, following 6 steps will help to form the house. Step 1. Receive customer requests. Customers send architecture drawings to put into ProCAD software. 2. Order processing and quotation. From the client's architectural drawings through ProCAD, all the walls, floors, and roof frames and 3D modeling of the house are designed. All designs are handled quickly so that order and quotations can be processed in one day. ProCAD exports a list of materials, BOM, and quotes to customers. ProCAD software has a user-friendly interface, easy to customize and support design in detail accurately. ProCAD also provides manufacturing and assembling drawings, structural analysis, and links data to the SmartFrame machine to minimize production errors. In ProCAD, we have developed a series of steel frame products to meet housing needs from residential to high-end commercial projects. The windows are opened in just a few seconds. Toolbar allows users to adjust the structure of floors, walls, roofs, and doors. Users can choose the type of floor, walls, roofs available from different types of purlin U and C. The software is also able to calculate actual load, such as wind and snow. Step 3. Confirm customer. Quickly respond to customer requests. Able to customize customer requirements and help customers to place orders quickly. Step 4. Implement production. After being confirmed by the customer, design data from ProCAD software is transferred to ProCam software. ProCam exports data to control SmartFrame machine operation. Data may be transferred online or via USB to the SmartFrame machine controller. The SmartFrame machine produces all components of the housing frame according to the design from the ProCAD software. SmartFrame machine is a compact, flexible manufacturing machine, operating automatically and synchronizing data with the ProCAD software. SmartFrame machine controller also manages production, reports accurate operating time, and detects and reports errors automatically. The system also integrates automatic inkjet printer, allowing the printing of names, numbers of components, intersections, and technical data, such as the number of screws required. That helps assembly quickly without any other instructions. Install the house frame. After the components are manufactured, based on codes printed on the component, the worker can easily assemble the frame. The main component in the SmartFrame solution is C-section, lightweight and optimizing force bearing. Materials used are galvanized steel, high-strength, non-painting, non-welding, lifelong, and environmentally friendly. The components are assembled together with screws without any other support reinforcement tools. SmartFrame solution helps construction quickly, saving 30 to 50% of construction time. Step 6. Complete. Smart Frame is really a smart solution. Highly economically efficient and beautifully designed architecture with a modern structure. There are different ways to complete the house. You can use cement boards or PU sheets. The following is an example to complete a house with cement boards.